What's up, guys? I'm super beat. I'm at the track right now. There's actually one other person at the track for the first time. He's riding a KTM 252 stroke, an EXE though, Enduro model. So it's gonna be part 3 of hitting the jump for the first time. We're gonna be hitting a super long step up tabletop. So here it is. Right there's the ramp, and then up there's the tabletop, and the landing is way over there. So I'm hitting it right at the end, so we're gonna see if we can't clear it. And yeah, that's what's up with today's video. Alright, what's up, guys? I don't know if you guys could see it all the way to the end right there, but I just hit the jump. I landed right before the landing, so I'm getting pretty far on it. I'm going to play another tape of that from a better perspective right now, and then we'll get to getting over the jump. Alright, if you guys got this far in the video, I just want to say thank you. I appreciate it a lot. I know it was a pretty short video, but you guys watched me get over that jump. It was pretty big. So that's about it for this week, like I just said. So I'll see you guys next week with another video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.